Save this, and when I start the game now, idle animation should be playing. Just uncheck these. So make sure your animation ain't playing when the game starts. Okay, it's supposed to play. So capital S, put lowercase s, sorry. So function start is supposed to be capital S. There we go. The idle animation is playing. So I can interfere with this and go straight into my upgrade mode. That's the beauty about crossfade. And then after that, it's straight back to the there we are. That's our upgrade system done. Well, not fully actually. Got some things to do here. I'm gonna implement a XP thing to this. I'm gonna say var XP is gonna be a type integer, and it's gonna be equal to 0. Okay. Now, what we can do is say if with the scope one. No, not scope. Sorry, scope's fine. Let's just do something else. Let's look for attack. Put an if statement around the attack. Let me space it out. It might be confusing to see otherwise. Let me just 1 second. Hang on. Bear with me, guys. Okay. As you can see, the attack one. I want to say if open bracket. Go to the very end of this. Put a closing bracket. Delete the semicolon. Put an open curly brace. Put underneath here. And I'm going to say another if statement inside of this if statement. If open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace. And I'm going to say if our XP is equal to 0. And I'm going to say a print message just for now. But later in the future I'll change that around. And just say you don't have enough XP to buy this. Okay? Save. Give me 1 second, guys. Anyways, yeah. Just copy this if statement, paste it underneath here, and let's say if our XP is equal to 100, just for now, it's a test, and we can say yes. That tells us we got this animation. And back into Unity, and I run this, and I push U, and there it is. Which one was it? The attack, yeah. When I click it, no, sorry, it was increased melee. You don't have enough XP to buy this because at the moment XP is set to 0. So if I send it to 500 and click on it again, okay, hold on, this is weird. I set this 500 quickly. Let me call you. Okay then. Didn't work. Let's go back into the script and see what went wrong. Oh, okay, yeah, yes. Sorry, put this XP less than or equals to 0. So if we have no XP, we're going to display you don't have enough. But if we have XP which is equal to 100 or greater than 100, we can buy something. This should work. I'm pretty sure it should. So XP I'm going to leave it 0 for now. When I press U, it should take me into the XP mode, sorry, upgrade mode, and I click on increase. It says you don't have enough XP, which is right, okay. But if I put 20, see what happens then. Still, you won't get it. Let's put 500, and this time it's going to say yes. There we are. So that's how you solve that problem. Sorry, just don't put equals equals. Just put equals greater than or equals to, and if it's less than, just put less than equals to. Save that off. Now I want to do something for the scope. So if you want to turn it off, let's do that next. Okay. So let's make two new variables for show scope. No, scope on. Sorry. It's gonna be a type boolean. It's gonna be equals to true by default for click on. It's gonna be a type integer. It's gonna be equals to 0. Save that. Go down here. Let's look for the scope button. That's site scope. So this time I'm going to do if statement for the scope. So if we click on the scope, go to the very end of this, put a closing bracket there, delete the semicolon, open bracket, close bracket, and inside here we're going to say if open bracket, close bracket, close bracket, and then if inside of this. No, we don't need actually. Yeah, we do, but not now. Okay. No, Vince, the wrong way. Hold on. Copy this GUI label, sorry, button, and paste it underneath the closing bracket. We need it twice. Put an if statement around this one, open bracket, and then close that underneath there. Do the same to the new one we just did, and then close that underneath there. We're gonna say if, what do I call it? Scope show or show scope? Scope on. If scope on equals false, scope on equals true. Okay, so if that's equals to false, we want, oh, I didn't make a game object reference yet, sorry. Go back down here and say for scope object to the type game object. Save that. I'm so hungry, bloody hell. I haven't eaten nothing. Let's go all the way down here and put that in there. Dot activate equals true. Okay, and copy this and paste it down here and say equals false. Now I want to say, what do I call that timer thing? Click on equals what it says 0, and click on equals to 1. So when it's equals to 1, sorry, 0, we can click on this and the scope will come on. When it's equal to 0, we can click on it again and turn the scope back to false. Now at the moment scope's enabled, so let me look for the scope real quick. There it is, and I'm going to disable this, turn it off completely. Okay, back into the main camera, and now I have to apply the scope over here. So drag the scope into the open scope object, save this, run the game, and we'll see what happens. So no scope at the moment, and press this and it's there, but it's not going away. Give me 1 second. I'm going to save this because my PC is going to go off some reason. It's lagging. I'm going to stop this one and continue.